Welcome to another Baka commentary video. In this video will be my impression/analysis on the AMD CES presentation. The overall vibe of the presentation of, hey, look, we have all these partners and all this product that we're going to let you buy through our partnership. And our partners are going to help us create an ecosystem for our product. And as well, AMD was kind of trying to get rid of the thing where they tell the end user where they only have one brand carrying their product and one specific SKU. So now, with this presentation, what they're basically like, hey, yeah, we have now multiple brands, each brand having one SKU of the product lineup for our AMD product and an ecosystem. And the product that they have launched in the presentation is the 8000 APU, where the APU is marketed towards as the processors to buy on the AM4 platform if you don't want to have a discrete graphics card for gaming and Office PC. Do I believe this statement is very true? As one, the 87G as a demoed can plus the MPU enables the 8700G to play AAA title at 60 FPS at low setting directly from AMD demos themselves. However, yeah, we're gonna have to wait for more independent people to test the 8700G to be really proving, is this really the APU where you can play any AAA title at the lowest setting with both the iGPU and the MPU for the upscaling. And for the 860G, this one is, well, it's a lower SKU version. It only has 6 cores. The iGPU is cut down and with the same MPU. So I guess if you only need 6 cores, 12 threads, and just really like maybe an esport title capable iGPU with the MPU, maybe this is the graphics APU to buy for your desktop PC. However, there is an even lower SKU, the 850G. This has it's spec like an 850G, except this thing has, as the name suggests, it is designed for Office PCs, as it has in my opinion and analysis, this is the first Zen C cores available to the consumers. So basically, the C cores will be doing majority of your Office and all the stuff, which generally, if you're not gaming, I can very much see this CPU being very viable as well. You don't really need a full core that can boost and downclock. And meanwhile, you can just have a bunch of these Zen C cores of the same architecture. Be like, yeah, we're locked to this voltage, locked to this clock speed. Yeah, it's going to be able to do your Office stuff. And clearly, you do not need freaking an MPU AI for an Office product for your Office PC. So the 850G, in fact, is, in my opinion, an excellent product for Office and for Office on very, very low efficient end user PC, desktop PC that needs to use an AMI there is an even lower SKU, the R3 version, that only has one big full performance Zen cores, and the rest of it is all C core. This is rather concerning for me because I don't think this is going to be really a good CPU, as thankfully AMD realizes this and they make this a freaking OEM exclusive only. So I guess for OEMs there's a use case, but yeah, if you really have a specific use case for this CPU where you only have one big performance core with 3 supporting Zen C cores, I guess this is the desktop you use for all these free builds, I guess. Yeah, and the next product that I consider a little bit more hype is the RX 7600 XT 16GB. This to me is very odd, as the RX 7600 is advertised to be a 1080p graphics card, and even with the AMD marketing and being like, we are struggling to justify the 16GB that we have given it. So, this is very much like a graphics card aimed towards developers where they need, well, more than 12 gigs of VRAM and likely will utilize the full 16GB, which also is a great thing. This means the lower SKU RX 7600, when I launched it, I was like, this graphics card's going to be useless for AI. I guess now that RX 7600 potentially is now going to have AI features of the 7000 series enabled and have stuff optimized for it now, since AMD is officially supporting the Navi 33 die for AI features. Yay! This is literally the highlight of the AMD CES 2024 presentation. However, these highlight was just a blip in the water, a few seconds in the presentation, and majority of the presentation was like all talking about, oh, this new hot AI buzzword, be like AI this, AI that, AI this, how our partner uses AI this, AI that. Seriously, man, if AMD didn't launch the 7600 XT and the how show like, hey, we have our partners. Yeah, we are going to be launching more products with our partners. I would have given AMD a failing grade, but thankfully, this has saved AMD from a failing grade, and I just give it an average grade, so 5 out of 10. Yeah, AMD, you didn't fail. You didn't have really good presentation. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's my analysis / impression on the AMD CES 2024 presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do the YouTube and subscribe if you haven't. And if you want to grow this channel, go share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.